In this video, how to view your purchase history in Walmart app full steps. I will show you step by step how to view your purchase history in the Walmart app. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Then log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, tap the menu icon. The menu is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the menu, find the option called Purchase History. Tap this option to see all orders made on your account. You will now see a list of purchases made through the app or website. Each order will show information such as purchase date and total price. Click on any order to view more details. Inside the order details, you can see the items purchased. You can also view the payment method used. The shipping address will also be shown on this page. If needed, you can access the receipt from the same section. This purchase history helps you track past orders and review previous purchases. This is how you can easily view your purchase history in the Walmart app.